We are in the process of making 2 oversized blanks for our front leg pieces. We are at the point that we need to glue our oversized pieces together. I'm going to begin by spacing my clamps about 12 inches apart. I'm going to lay this out so I can glue each of the leg pieces together, but I don't want to glue the 2 legs together. We want to spread the glue on the entire surface of each workpiece that will be glued to another workpiece, which means the 2 legs need to be separated so that we don't accidentally glue them together. When the glue is spread, we can flip up each piece and very gently clamp them together, making sure they are still in line with each other and they haven't shifted. We then want to add additional clamps between the first clamps and gently work our way down each of the clamps, snugging them together. Again, we are still checking to make sure that they don't shift around. When everything is clamped and everything looks good, we can use wet paper towel and wipe off any excess glue that has squeezed out. This then needs to be set aside for 24 hours.